Good morning, Woodland Acres Elementary. Today is Monday, September 28th, 2020. Will you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, with liberty and justice for all. And now I pledge the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. All right, Wildcats, at this time, we're going to have our moment of silence. Great job, Wildcats. You can now be seated. Galena Park ISD is a very special place, and because of that, we have a safety statement. So, every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right. You have a right to feel safe. You have a right to feel loved, and you have a right to feel respected. And this means on the bus, at home, and during your school day. So if there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unloved, unsafe, or even disrespected, tell someone. Talk this over with a trusted adult in your life, your coach, your nurse, your parent, your teacher, your counselor, your principals, any adult that you trust. Let them know how you feel, talk about it, and get on the way to feeling better. Wow, Wildcats, on this 29th day of September, there are no birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you all. September is, the character education theme for this month is citizenship and school pride. Part of being a good citizen is service. Servicing and helping others is a most important characteristic of good citizenship. You will feel great about yourself when you help someone who is in need, and you will help yourself and your community. All right, Wildcats, it was great spending these couple of minutes with you. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. I hope that you choose to make it a great day.